My home state of Michigan is already getting blasted by winter weather. Marquette just picked up a record 18 inches of snow, and tens of thousands of people don't have power. Now, granted, this is in the Upper Peninsula, about 500 miles north of where I grew up, but still, we're talking mid-October, and there's another storm on the way that's expected to produce more snow, dangerous winds, and some treacherous road conditions.
Did you throw away your snow shovel when you moved here?
Yeah, we don't have one.
What?
Well, they're in Texas now.
I did buy one when we got the winter storm, but for the
Okay.
first year or two, whatever, I didn't have one here.